أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson number 36. The shortened meme after nun sakin or tanween. If ba comes, there will be iqlab. Conversion means substituting one letter to other. A gunna is also made while mixing. Read with me of the page 44. The pronunciation also given at the foot of the word. ينبوعا نفس بما خبيرا بصيرا. If you want to stop here, خبيرا بصيرا. رجع بعيد. If you want to stop here, you read like this. رجع بعيد